This is everything you need for your dog's birthday party in one kit. And Lily Mae just turned 1 years old. So when Sue Pet asked if I would mind reviewing this little birthday kit, I said, well, this is perfect timing. So I'm going to show you just everything that's included here and and show you up close what the product looks like. I think this is pretty good quality here. It's better than most kids decorations. I mean, you can use this year after year. It doesn't have to just be for one birthday. So you can see you've got your little bandana there. We went with the pink because Lily Mae is a girl. They do have it in blue as well. And this is fully customizable. So, the bandana, of course, is adjustable. It really is more fit for small to medium dogs, though, not large dogs. And you can see the little hat here. Now, I'm just kind of gently uh, bending it, folding it, giving it a little bit of shape so it will fit on her little puppy head a little bit better. Now, you do have number stickers 0 through 8 because 6 you can reverse upside down and become a 9. And we're going to put a number 1 on there in glittery gold for our baby who just turned 1. And pink is her favorite color, too. So that's a plus. She really does like pink. And then we also get the tape here, and it does come with a needle. So you can string that through all of your little felt letters, and this will spell out happy birthday. And each letter is about 4 to 5 inches approximately. And then you've got your two cute little cupcakes there on the end. It's everything you need for a birthday party moment for your fur baby, and these will make for fabulous fur photos.